in about, let me see, I'm kind of crooked here. I have a client in about maybe about 30 minutes or so. I'm crooked, I think, on Instagram, but I'm gonna get ready. You're gonna see me like get things done. I gotta put towels away, so I'll be moving the cameras as I'm going through the office today. Sorry, I'm crooked on Instagram. Sorry, I'm crooked. Somebody join me. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready, and like I said, I'll be moving everything around. So I'll be cleansing. I'll be putting things away. I'll be prepping for a waxing session, and got my diffuser going on. I don't think you guys can see that, but let's get started. I got a few things to do. So let's see. Let's get started. First of all, I have like a portable AC because it's very hot in here. So you'll be seeing me doing a lot of things. So let's see. Gotta get that going. I got a lot to do. So oops, I almost dropped you over there. So I might probably have to just turn you around. So we're doing the best that we can here. All right, turning you around here. All right, hopefully you can see me. All right. Can you see the A? Yeah, you think you can see the AC. Okay. Because it's smoking hot. It's a heat advisory. Okay, I was thinking that was my client, but it's not. It's just somebody leaving. So I'm putting in distilled water. And I have two of these, but I think one should be enough. And get some scissors. Are you guys just as hot as it is here? It's very, very hot in California. Very, very, very hot. I'm trying to decide if I should leave this ice here. I'm not here every day, but when I'm here, I like to have all my things here with me. And my client is already, I can tell you, she already here, and I'm live streaming, and she already here.
Hey, y'all.
Say hey.
Hey, y'all.
Okay, well, she just gonna be here while I'm prepping. So when it's hot, I'm about to get this air conditioner on.
I'm gonna step out.
She's gonna go and do her thing, you know, because she's just coming from work, and you know how you ladies, when you come from work, you gotta go and do things before you get ready for your appointment. So she's gonna do all that, and I'm gonna go and do my thing.
See y'all.
Oh. Okay, so got that going. AC. Hey. All right. So now we got the portable AC going. Oh man, it feels so much better. So now I'm gonna put my towels away. Even though we're not using towels today, the last time I was here, I took a load of laundry home, so I'm gonna put those away. Then I have to get my barbicide because I am using tools today would have to be cleaned, and then get the spa bed ready. So let's get that. All right, get you looking here. This is real life, folks. Real life. Real life, folks. Okay, can you see me over here? Let's see. There we go. All right. Then I'm gonna clean the bed again because I used it the other day, but you know, just things have touched it, so I just want to have everything clean and sanitized for each client. And see, the bag just touched it, so I want to be sure to wipe it down as well. I had this open. You probably can't see it, but I had it open because I have my lavender. I got my diffuser going. Scissors. Okay. Sponges, because I wash my sponges as well. Put that there. Put my towels away. They smell so good. Can you guys, yeah, I think you guys can see. Can you guys hear that air conditioner? The portable one? Yes. Yeah, it got hot in here. But I can feel it's cooling down. Okay. So, if you've seen my other videos, I'm trying to get a green thumb. I am growing plants now. That's something new that I'm doing. So I'm kind of doing like lifestyle things as well as my aesthetics. And then I'm also, if you saw my video from yesterday, I'm doing product reviews. So I'll be doing that. I think that video should come out tomorrow. I use CeraVe because clients always ask me what to use outside of the office, outside of the spa area. So then I got the CeraVe. So I'm gonna do a cleanser. I'm gonna review that and give you videos on the CeraVe.